Hello again. Um, Let me remind you that we just have started a website and we have its name, and by default your first page is home page. Well, you can keep it like that, or you can change the name of this web page to anything you want. For example, I suggest that we change it to, let's say, change it to about myself. About myself. So notice the name of the page is not changing on the menu, but it's a temporary thing. It will. Well, if you click, first of all, you can edit the the title of the page by choosing different fonts. Can be larger, but not very much. But normally we can change the text itself, but not the title of the page. If you type something like hello, let me tell you about myself, so you can see that we can select any color of the font, and we can make it italicized, bold, italicized, change the size of the font, and select a bunch of select your favorite font from this list of fonts. Now, if you save it, if you click on save it, you will see that the page that you have just started has changed its name. So you can do it anytime if you click on edit page, and you can change it to anything else. Now I suggest that you change the name of the website. To do so, you go to sitemap, and in sitemap you go to manage pages, and here on the left side, on this manage site menu, you select general, and in general you select the name that you started with, and you may change it to any other name. For example, Dr. Samsonov's test site, and save it. Notice the page does not go automatically to your website. You have to click on this link. Then, if you can see, everything has changed, the name of the website and the page, the name of the page. Now if you click on edit page again, you can add the content, something of the content. That is, you understand that you can, if you select the text, you can decrease intent, you can shift it to the right or to the left. You can have central alignment. You can align it to the right, and you go back to this, and you can use numbers or bullets. This is up to you. It's whatever you want. Now you can also change the color of the text to any color you want, but you have to select it first. Actually, this is the, sorry about that. This is the background color. Background color. You can remove this. It doesn't really matter if you want background color. That's fine. If you don't want it, you can always remove it. And you can, like I said, change the color of the text. Now, another thing that is very important is that probably on your personal page you want to have a picture. Let's suppose you want to insert a picture of yourself, or it's up to you, of course, any other picture. There are two ways of doing this. If you want to insert a picture that has been stored on your computer, you go to Insert, go to Image, and you look for this image that you have stored on the computer. You go to Browse, and you find the picture. Let's say I have my photographs somewhere here, but I actually don't have any photographs. So what I do, I go to my documents, and let's say I have kind of pictures that I want to use. Let's say I want to use the picture that I have. This is a picture of my wife. Let's say I want to use this, and I select it, hit open, and okay, for some reason it doesn't want to do that. Okay, yeah, it's getting there, and I hit OK. It takes some time, and I have the picture here. It's just the picture of my wife, but it's too large. That's why what I do, I click on it, and select small. In this case, the picture becomes small. If it's too small, I click on it again and select medium, sorry, and even large, because the original is too large. Well, this is one way of doing this. Another way, let me just click on it and hit this X, which means remove. And let's say I want to insert a picture that I have just found on the internet. Well, I go to Insert, I go to Image, and I go to Web Address. Now, to insert a picture here, I need to go to the web, and what I'm going to do now, I need to close that, and I will go to File on my browser, a new window, go to New Window, and I'll go to Google, and in Google I will go to Images. Well, let's say I want to, let's pretend I want to enter some image that I like, that represents me. Let's say I'm a Rosarian and I like roses, so let's say roses. And I have those pictures of roses. Notice, yeah, this. Let's say I'll take this beautiful rose. But notice, I need to get to the full-size image. Click on that, and here is the full-size image, and this is the address of this image. Notice it has .jpg at the end, which is suggests that this is the right address. I select it, I copy it, I minimize the page, go back here, and go to insert, go to image, but this time it is not an uploaded image, it's a web address. So I click on web address and I paste this rose, beautiful rose, and I hit OK. And here we are. We have, for some reason it's 2, I don't want 2, and 1 is enough. Remove that, and I have a picture of a rose. Now, last thing I would like to do today is to place this picture in the middle of the page, okay? And the same thing with this sentence. I post it in the middle of the page, and maybe I do something like that. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's save it. Don't forget to save. And that's about it.